Today is the question from Gate 23, question 51. The question is, consider two countries, India and Bangladesh. We have two countries, India and Bangladesh. Glass bottle and ceramic plate and two products, glass bottle and ceramic plate with labor requirement of production for a unit of each good given below, and we have labor requirement for each production is given below. Let's look at the table given below. In India, to produce glass bottle, we need 2 hours of labor, and to produce ceramic plate, we need 3 hours of labor. And in Bangladesh, we need 3 hours to produce a glass bottle of labors and 9 hours of labor to produce a single ceramic plate. Now, which of the following option is correct? Now, we have to make consideration of is correct. Yani either there can be more than one option can be correct. Okay, we have the first option is India has an absolute advantage in glass bottle and comparative disadvantage in glass bottle production. Second is India has an absolute advantage in ceramic plate and comparative disadvantage in ceramic plate production. India has an absolute advantage in ceramic plate and a comparative disadvantage in glass bottle production. India has an absolute advantage in glass bottle production and a comparative disadvantage in ceramic plate production. Here we can see that in all the options they are talking about absolute advantage and comparative disadvantage. So for this, we first find the absolute advantage of both countries and comparative advantages of both countries, and then we go to the option that which option is correct. Now first, absolute advantage. What is absolute advantage? Absolute advantage say that a country has an absolute advantage in the production of given good if it requires less hours than the other country to produce a given good. Say we have two countries A and B, and we have two goods, say 1 and 2. To produce a good, to produce first good, country A requires 2 hours, and to produce second good, country A requires 3 hours. And for the same good, country B requires 4 hours and it requires 5 hours, say 2 hours. Now for the production of good 1, country A requires less hours, 2 hours, which is less than 4 hours. So for good 1, who has the absolute advantage? Country A, because it requires less hours to produce a given good. And for good B, which countries require less hours? B. So we can say that B has the absolute advantage in the given good for producing the good 2. Now the question is it necessary to have both, that one country has absolute advantage in one good and the other needs to be absolute advantage in the other good? No, this can't be the case. In most of the cases, in generally that can be the case that only single country has the absolute advantage in both goods. That's why we move from here to the comparative advantage, which says that through the absolute advantage we can't decide the pattern of the trade, because if one country has the absolute advantage, it can be the case that one country has the absolute advantage in both the goods. Then we can't say that you trade this and you trade this, because if one country has the absolute advantage in both goods, it would be better if it produce all the goods, so there can't be any trade. So that's why absolute advantage is weaker than the comparative advantage in international production. Now we look at the given table. From the given table, India requires 2 hours to produce glass bottle and Bangladesh requires 3 hours to produce glass bottle. So since India has required less hours to produce a glass bottle, so we can say that India has the absolute advantage in the production of glass bottles, because it requires less hours to produce the glass bottle than the Bangladesh. Now we look at the ceramic plate. Ceramic plate, India requires 3 hours and Bangladesh requires 9 hours. So again here the labor requirement of India has less to produce a ceramic plate than the Bangladesh, so India also has the absolute advantage in ceramic plate. So India has the absolute advantage in the production of ceramic plate also. So in both goods we have absolute advantage. India has the absolute in both goods. So all of the four options are correct if we look at the absolute advantage. India has the absolute in glass bottle. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And if we look at the first part, now we move to the comparative advantage. What does comparative advantage says? Now, comparative advantage has been based on the opportunity cost. It says that if a country has less opportunity cost for a given good, then it has comparative advantage in the production of given good. Now, what is the opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is the cost of next best alternative, or what we had to give up to produce a given good is the opportunity cost. Okay, so here if we look at the say India is producing two good, 1 and 2. To produce, like I'm again taking this example, India needs 2 hours to produce this and 3 hours to produce this. Now the opportunity cost of good 1 is, what is this? How much he has to give up the good 2? Opportunity cost of good 1. Now the thing here is to understand is it is 2 hours and it is 3 hours. See, to produce one good, he has to take the 2 hours of the labor. To produce second good, he has to take the 3 hours of the labor. Now, to produce first good, he needs 2 hours of this. Okay, if a good takes 3 hours to make it, and if we take 2 hours of it, then how much good can be produced? 2/3. So it is can be like 2 hours taken for the given good divided by 3 hours in terms of second good. Opportunity goods of a given good is always is in terms of other goods. So 2 hours divided by in terms of second good. So 2/3 of second good we have to give up to produce given good. Now if we move to the question, opportunity cost of India of glass bottle. First we are in glass bottle. Okay, to produce one glass bottle, India needs 2 hours and he has to give up 2 hours of this ceramic plate. So it would be 2/3 ceramic plate. Okay, and for ceramic plate it needs 3 hours for, but if it needs 3 hours and the other good here, if a ceramic plate is producing, we need 3 hours to produce a ceramic plate, but the glass bottle in India can be produced in 2 hours. So if we take 3 hours of the glass bottle production, then we can produce 1.5 glass bottle. Okay, now we are calculating opportunity cost in Bangladesh of glass bottle. which is, if we can see here, glass bottle. In ceramic plate it takes 9 hours to make a ceramic plate. If we take 3 hours of it, then it will be 3/9 or 1/3 ceramic plate. And the other one is ceramic plate, which is 9/3 equals to 3 glass bottles. Now, opportunity cost of glass bottle in India is 2/3, and in Bangladesh it is 1/3. Which is less? Which is less for glass bottle? 1/3 is less than 2/3. So we can say that Bangladesh has the comparative advantage in the production of glass bottles. And here it is 1.5 and here it is 3, which is less? 1.5. So India has the comparative advantage in the production of ceramic plate. Now the question is, why we take the less opportunity cost? Say, if we have to give up less for the production of given good, but the other country has to give up the more for the production of given good, then it would be beneficial for me to produce the given good, because I have to give up the less. It costs me less to produce given good, but other country would cost it more to produce the given good. That's why we say for the opportunity cost. Now the second question is, why comparative advantage is preferable to absolute advantage? Here the twist is, a country can't be have comparative advantage in both goods. If you see, the opportunity cost of one good is the opposite of other good for a given country. So if it is a minimum for a given good, then it would be definitely maximum for the other good, because as we know, the reciprocal of a minimum should be maximum. If the minimum number is 0, then 1/0 is infinity, which is the maximum. So from the given logic, a country can't have the comparative advantage in both of the goods, and due to which the given logic we can decide, and by following the given logic we can have the comparative comparative advantage can be used for the trade of the to decide the pattern of trade between two countries or two or more countries. It depends upon the comparative advantage, which country has the lowest opportunity cost. Okay, now we move on to the options. Now, if Bangladesh has comparative advantage in production of glass bottles, then the opposite of this, well, in other words, we can say that India has the comparative disadvantage in the production of glass bottles, and Bangladesh has the comparative disadvantage in the production of ceramic plate. So what we now know is that the options are in the terms of comparative disadvantage. So our first option is India has the comparative disadvantage in the production of glass bottles. So this option is correct. And India has a comparative disadvantage in the production of ceramic plate, but this option is correct. India has this option is incorrect because India has. Option B is incorrect because India has comparative advantage, not comparative disadvantage in the ceramic plate production. Option C's first part is correct, and a comparative disadvantage in the glass bottle production, as discussed in part A. This option is also correct. Now, and a comparative disadvantage in ceramic plate production, as discussed in part B, this option is incorrect because India has the comparative advantage, not comparative disadvantage, in the production of ceramic plate. I hope this answer would be helpful to you, and if it is so, then please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.